Welcome back to the fourth episode of Jeju Diaries. Today, we're making a splash at Aqua Planet Jeju, the largest aquarium facility in East Asia. Get ready to be wowed by over 45,000 marine creatures from around the globe. From tiny neon tetras to gigantic angelfish, this place is a living rainbow of sea life. The highlight of Aqua Planet Jeju is its main tank, which contains 6,000 tons of water and houses 27,000 fish, showing marine life up close. From the mysterious Baikal Seals to the mesmerizing moon jellyfish and the majestic walruses, Aqua Planet is a treasure trove of marine life. Say hello to the harbor seal, the ultimate couch potato of the sea. If you catch him snoozing on a rock, consider yourself lucky, as you can witness why we can call it the laziest, sleepiest, and possibly the cutest sea creature. These guys are found along the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans, but their habitats are threatened by hunting and habitat loss. Welcome to Penguin Planet, where penguins are just like us. Watch these cute fellas live their best lives. Some are pondering the meaning of life, while others are just enjoying a good swim. And if you're lucky, one might just waddle over to say hi. Look, that one thinks he's the king of penguins. Meet the Flowerhorn fish, nicknamed the water dog for its playful nature. They might even play a game of hide and seek with you. For our reptile enthusiasts, feast your eyes on the Albino Burmese Python, a snake that's as stylish as it is slithery. Welcome to the Aqua Safari, where the motto is chill or be chilled. One guy's napping like he's got zero worries, while the others are basically hosting their own playdate. Ever seen an octopus nap? Well, now you have. They can be 4 meters long with the legs stretched. When threatened, they shoot ink and run away. Look who's here. It's Master Oogway from Kung Fu Panda, probably pondering the secrets of the universe. Meet the fish that's always happy to see you. Seriously, It's like a swimming emoji. One of its kind is always followed by a group of other fishes. Seems like they really enjoy his company. Baikal seals are the smallest and the only kind that inhabit freshwater lakes among the 19 true seal species. It still remains a scientific mystery how they came to live in Lake Baikal, hundreds of kilometers away from any ocean. Imagine numerous full moons floating on the ocean. Isn't it fascinating? Moon jellyfish are jellyfish that are the most commonly found worldwide. Walruses inhabit the Arctic and they prefer ice floes. They search and identify prey with their sensitive vibrissae. Native Americans are legally allowed to hunt the walrus as it can often be one of the only sources of food. However, commercial hunters are the main cause behind rapid decline in walrus populations. The walruses have been subjected to intensive commercial hunting because their ivory has largely replaced that of elephant. Shark alert! From the speedsters to slowpokes, the Shark Tank is a jaw-dropping experience. For our little adventurers, there's a picture zone to strike your best shark fighting pose. And for our youngest explorers, there's a sea-themed play area that's just oodles of fun. Before you leave, don't forget to explore the outside area. It's like a sea-themed park where you can stroll and soak in the ocean vibes. That's a wrap for today's episode, folks. If you're loving these deep sea adventures, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more Jeju Diaries.